Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast covered. In today's video, we will be checking out the Mini GT Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4, and it is in Bianco Siderale. I'm not sure, sorry if I said it wrongly. I think Bianco Siderale. And this is number 567, as you can tell. White and matte gray box. TSM model, Lamborghini licensing, and TSM model right there. Mini GT, and also Lamborghini. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. So this is also a new casting from Mini GT. And yeah, it has been many people's fan favorites, including me. I do really like this casting. It's like, well, even though it's not an Aventador or an SVJ or anything, like the Countach is just a total different thing, like compared to other things, other Lamborghinis. If you compare it to like Huracans or anything, they're like already normal to us, whereas these Countaches, they're quite different. Even though I don't think Mini GT has ever done the older Countach, it's a great thing that they've made this newer one right here, which just looks absolutely stunning right here. Like, it's pretty nice, not gonna lie. First of all, obviously you have to go with the white color, obviously pretty nice. So do you take the clean white one or the clean black one? Both of them look great. Love those two colors when it comes to this car. Obviously the black one's on the way, so yeah, keep an eye out on them. Who knows, you might get it, the black version, or maybe you could go ahead and grab the white version, which is currently available now. Obviously the black one, I think many people are gonna get that one because yeah, it looks cleaner, obviously, as you can tell. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out this car. So Mini GT is not the only one that does this car. Obviously Hot Wheels has done it. I actually have it right here if I want to compare it and also measure it. So does it. Yeah, here's the one made by Hot Wheels, and as you can tell, it's just an itty bitty, okay, it's not totally small, it's really small, not gonna lie. It's like as if Hot Wheels didn't do a 1/64 full scale version. Just look at the difference in length and width between these two cars. First of all, look at the difference. How long the Mini GT one compares to the Hot Wheels one right here. Damn, that's just so small. What happened to Hot Wheels? The width, okay, the width kind of looks similar, and yeah, just that. What happened to Hot Wheels? I mean, just look how tiny the front wheels are compared to the rear ones. This car supposed to have the same set of rims for the front and back, yet they made it smaller on the front. Why is that possible? And look how I just cannot understand how small it is. So I cannot compare it with that. Yet it's still Mini GT. What do you expect? I mean, Mini GT has the perfect 1/64 scale models, obviously. Unless if you're talking about Siku, obviously, which is always overscaled and underscaled, and also Tomica. They have different scales as well. But yeah, here it is, the Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4, and as you can see in this awesome looking metallic white, it just looks awesome, pretty nice. So you have these 5-spoke rims in like this silver, or is it gray? I'm not sure. They look great. I mean, like, it replicates the real car very well. I think it's meant to replicate the real car. The rims, which is yeah, pretty nice. You have a huge black part right here for like the air intake right here on the side, which is pretty nice. Totally clean on the side, nothing much to say. No like sponsoring anything. Obviously this is just a regular car, regular hypercar. You have the wing mirrors or side mirrors in rubber, as you can tell. So moving on to the front, you obviously have the headlights, signature headlights, which is transparent Lamborghini logo right there. Quite a small hood, I don't know why. You have the front bumper and I believe a small tiny splitter on the front. You have a blacked out interior, normal windshield as always. Here is the other side if you are wondering. So there's an extra detail for the hood, the roof to the back. You actually can see through it, and extra detail, they allowed you to see apart from their engine, which is obviously pretty nice. I believe this is a V12 if I'm not mistaken. So pretty cool. I do love the engine right there inside. It just looks gorgeous. You have some like yellow bits in there, which is so detailed when it comes to Mini GT though. It's just awesome. You have the rear lights right there, which is pretty cool. And don't know if you have a Lambo logo right there or not. You have some diffusers at the bottom. You have exhaust pipes at the back, small ones. And yeah, that's basically it for the back. Pretty interesting and clean. And yeah, let's move on to the base. So it says Mini GT and made in China. That's basically it. Let's put it here. Honestly, I would say this car is honestly pretty cool. Like if you compare it to any other Lamborghini, such as the Lamborghini Huracan, no matter it's the Evo or STO, the Lamborghini SVJ Aventador, I would say the Countach would be like in between them. Not really an overhyped car like the SVJ, obviously. SVJs, yeah, there are so many hunters out there when it comes to that car specifically. I mean, like they released a bunch of SVJs back in the past, and this might be the next one that they're gonna release a bunch of times. But what can I say, it's a Countach, and Mini GT hasn't done a Countach before, I believe, like the older ones. But yeah, this is one of the great starts when it comes to Mini GT and Countaches. Overall, in this metallic white color, it looks pretty nice. In the Bianco Siderale, I think it just looks pretty insane. Like when you look at it at a glance, it just looks so clean. I don't know why Hot Wheels has their own issue when it comes to making a Countach that's quite small compared to what Mini GT has done, even though Hot Wheels normally does 1/64 scale cars. I just don't know why that one was too small. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Mini GT Lamborghini Countach LPI 1800-4. Overall, quite an insane car in white. Stay tuned for getting your hands on the black version. It will be pretty nice and fun. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Countach. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. If you like the videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.